Oh my god. Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to Unbox 7, and today I got you guys an amazing video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this amazing fragrance which is by Lattafa, and fragrance name is Badee Al Oud Amethyst. This is 100 ml bottle and it is unisex. It comes in an elegant bottle and beautiful packaging. So I'm gonna unbox this today, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon. So look at the packaging and look at the bottle, guys. It's so beautiful, it's so elegant. The bottle, I'm gonna take it out from the box and look at it, guys. I'm already in love with the bottle because it gives you very luxury feel. So guys, this fragrance is an amber vanilla fragrance which opens with a bright and invigorating combination of bergamot and pink pepper. So I really like the notes, and because it also has vanilla and amber oud, which is one of my favorite, so they also goes very good in the winter time. And guys, this is unisex, so men and women both can wear this perfume. So I'm gonna try the perfume today, and look at the lid, it's so beautiful, guys. Yeah, it also says Lataffa on the lid. I'm gonna put it aside and let's see the spray first. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, the fragrance, the scent is so amazing, and it like actually opens with like bright vanilla and very woody. And guys, if we talk about the top notes for this fragrance, the top notes are apple, lychee, rose, and for the middle notes, these are plum, jasmine, and the final or base notes are vanilla, mousse, and patchouli. So it also has like vanilla touch, it also has patchouli touch, and it also has rose and apple touch, which are one of my favorite one. And this one is great fragrance for summer and springtime, but however it also contains like vanilla and amber oud, so it's goes perfect in winter and fall time too. And the long lasting, if we talk about the long lasting, it lasts like more than 8 hours before fading, which is very decent longevity. And this one is inspired by Initio Perfumes Frag Plus Bar. And guys, this bottle also comes with like, this package also comes with small card, which I'm gonna open it right now. So this is very beautiful color, like purple color, amethyst color. So I'm gonna open it, and it also describes like top notes bergamot, pink pepper, and the heart notes are Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose, and jasmine, and the base notes are vanilla, amber, and oud, which is like the similar ones that I described. So this is very beautiful. They already include in this packaging, because if you're buying something, so you should know what you are buying. And I would say this is very good perfume like for all season, because you can use this perfume for summer, spring, fall, and as well as winter time. So I am really liking this fragrance. If you like this fragrance and the bottle and my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.